Today, we're taking a look at the Tonor Q9 USB condenser microphone. It's a complete microphone kit that has input sample rate of 48 kHz, a 16-bit rate, with a maximum sound pressure level of up to 120 decibels. Inside the box, we get a usual 2-year warranty, a detailed user manual setup guide, there's a bendable dual layer pop filter, which should effectively attenuate the energy of those plosive sounds, like for example the B and P letters. Also included is a metal microphone shock mount, a foam microphone cover, there is a desk mount clamp too, with a maximum fitting surface of up to 1.7 inches. Now yep, we do get a 1.8 meter USB A to B audio cable, but what is also included within this package, not only do we get this satisfying to squeeze bubble wrap, but we get an all metal suspension scissor stand, which should have an excellent range. Lastly, we've got that Tonor Q9 USB condenser microphone itself. It does come in this lovely matte black design, with volume control on and off buttons to the front, as well as the chrome edge detail that looks rather stunning, yes. But how this Cardioid condenser capsule works is that it is equipped with a 16mm large diaphragm. So basically it will pick up all the noise from the front of the mic, and it should cancel all of the room noise around your surroundings. Now, as we fit this together, I'll just let you guys know that this microphone kit today is compatible with PC and laptop, PS4 and PS5 consoles, but unfortunately, no, it's not compatible with any Xboxes, no. Anyway, now the microphone kit is fully put together, all that leaves us to do is tidy up that cable, put the pop filter in place, and Bob's your uncle. Let's go ahead and let's test this microphone out. Now, as we plug this microphone in, it is indeed plug and play, so it shouldn't need any adaptations such as a sound card needed. Basically, you plug it in and it should automatically set up itself. If it doesn't, go to your PC settings, go through all the little individual settings and set this microphone as the main microphone, and you shouldn't really have much problems. We didn't today with this EVGA gaming laptop, and now it is quickly set up, we're going to test our voice quality out, yeah. Right guys, let's just start off by saying it's absolutely boiling in the UK just now. It's 40 degrees outside and we've got the studio lights running and I'm wringing wet with sweat. So let's make this microphone test real quick. Now we have in fact sat a foot away from the microphone and the volume is cranked up to its highest level. With this high level, this will enable you to record more than one person at any given time. So if you're sat next to someone within a room, you're having a bit of a podcast, you can just sit close to each other, sit a foot away from the microphone, and you shouldn't have any type of problems. But as you may have noticed just now, just listen. There is indeed some background hiss. No, it's not the fan of the laptop. That is because that volume control is turned up to its highest level. Now we are indeed going to turn it down just a few notches. Maybe 4 levels. And because now we have turned that microphone volume down, the background hiss is somewhat eradicated, but you will indeed need to sit a little closer to the microphone just to keep your voice sounding sharp, nice, crisp and clean. And what we have noticed actually is the background noise is rather blanked off too. So this microphone does a good job blocking out room murmur, so if someone's chatting in the background or playing FIFA on the PlayStation like my kids like to do, it should eradicate mild sounds. It only takes around 4 to 5 minutes to fully set this microphone kit up. We do like the volume control level, and we can actually turn it off via the mic too by holding for 2 seconds. Holding once again to turn it back on. But is there any type of distortion? Well, let's check those B, P and T letters. B, 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 P, 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 T, 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 P, 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 pick up a penguin. Let's move the pop filter out of the way just to see the difference. Okay, now we have got that foam filter on the microphone head just now, and let's once again test those plosive sounds. B, 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 P, 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 T, T, T. Okay, it's not as good as having that dual pop filter in front of you, just like so. But I guess it really all depends what you're actually using this microphone for. So if you're using it on a PS4 or PS5 console, you might want to keep the pop filter in place because you're going to be shouting extra loud like that. But like I've mentioned, if you're recording more than 2 people within a room, you can just simply turn that volume up to its highest level, move the pop filter out of the way, and sit a bit further back, and you will still get a very crisp and loud voice pickup, yes. So if you're doing a podcast, this microphone is definitely suited for it. We are really surprised at how well it is performing just now, and given that it is a Cardioid condenser capsule, it is pretty much impressive, yeah. Now, we really did like this microphone today. It's a simple, cheap kit, which should help spice up your podcasts, clear up your voice recordings, and with that adjustable arm that extends up to 70 centimeters, it does provide you with fantastic maneuverability, brilliant comfort when sat upright at a desk, not only bringing you sharper recording quality, but not only that, this microphone kit right now does have a handsome price tag too, retailing at around £50. That's 60 in US dollars. We are indeed going to give this Q9 microphone kit a big 9 out of 10. It has certainly surprised us today, and it is actually really cost effective. So for a beginner microphone, we're certainly going to give it 2 thumbs up. Now, I have left a handy little link in the video description down below, where if you go and check it out, you can purchase one of these microphone kits yourself. Now, I'm not affiliated in any type of way, so you are free to check it out should you wish, but if you have liked what you have seen within this video, well, why not go ahead and go get yours? Or while you're in that video description, guys, checking that link out, I'd very much appreciate it if you please like and share this video today. But most importantly, please show some support by subscribing right now. Bearing in mind now to hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on our very next upload. Now, we have indeed loved doing this review this week, and we hope you stay tuned for our very next uploads, which should be coming in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. As usual, guys, I hope you all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!